Auburn, look at Mama.
Who do you love?
Tell Mama who you love. Kelsey and Danny. Who else? You have to say it loud.
Pappy Grandma.
Who else do you love? Pappy, Grandma. Who else? Papa and Grams. Who else?
Say it loud.
Who else do you love? Look at Mama. Who else do you love? Who?
Kelsey did it.
Kelsey and Danny. You already said them. Who else?
Daisy and Sissy?
Baby Jesse's.
Who else? Can you sing me a song?
Ring around the world, see a pocket for the pony. Ashes, she all fall down.
Good job. Can you sing me Mary Had a Little Lamb?
Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, eating fishy rabbits. Yay!
Yay! Can you sing me A Tisket a Tasket?
No.
What else can you sing me? Can you sing me Take Me Out to the Ball Game? Sing that for Daddy. You don't want to?
She wants to watch what? Jack.
Say bye-bye, camera.
Bye-bye, Kayla.
Peace out, dude.